Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Fruits are a great mid-meal food option and help you lose weight. When you're hungry, grab a few pieces of one of these fruits instead of opting for fried or sugary treats that are high in calories. It will reduce your appetite without gaining weight. The vitamins, minerals and antioxidants in fruits can do wonders for your skin, hair and body. I am going to introduce you to 10 such fruits. You can get the benefit only by watching the entire video without skipping. If you like the video, please like, share to reach others and comment your valuable comments, suggestions and criticisms. 1. Watermelon. Summers are incomplete without this red and juicy fruit. This is one of the best cooling fruits to gorge on during the summer season. Watermelons are healthy and cheap. It is not only a great source of water but vitamin A and C as well. Vitamin A boosts immunity and is good for the eyes. Vitamin C also boosts immunity. Watermelon also has vitamin B6 and potassium. Potassium maintains water balance in the body while vitamin B6 improves immunity. Potassium also prevents muscle cramps and keeps your heart healthy. Eating watermelons help prevent skin damage caused by the rays of the sun. It also helps prevent the occurrence of sunstroke and cancer and improves heart health.
2. Mango. There are so many people out there who love summers just because of mangoes. Mangoes, though high in calories, are a rich source of nutrients. There are reasons why mangoes are known as the king of fruits. This fruit is enriched with fiber and has as many as 20 minerals and vitamins. Fiber helps with digestion and helps keep you full. Mangoes are rich in vitamin A and C, and also potassium. Also, zeaxanthin, a pigment present in mangoes, protects the eyes by filtering out harmful blue rays.
3. Papaya. Another great fruit that you can eat during summers is papaya. You can eat this fruit dried, ripe or unripe. Papayas contain nutrients like vitamin A and C, folate, and various phytochemicals. This fruit also contains papain, a compound that is good for your gastrointestinal health. It also helps in curing indigestion and bloating, something that is common during summers. Papaya is also a good source of beta-carotene. It prevents skin damage and reduces inflammation. Papaya also has a decent amount of antioxidants and helps prevent cancer and serious heart diseases. It is a great choice for someone who is on a weight loss diet. 4. Guava. Guava is another summer fruit that you can include in your weight loss diet. Many people do not like guava as they are stiff and come with seeds. If you are one among them, know that there are ample reasons to love this fruit. Guavas are great for diabetic patients. It helps keep your blood sugar and insulin levels balanced. It has a high content of soluble fiber and potassium. A single guava a day can improve metabolism, complexion, eyesight and mental health. You can also eat guavas to reduce menstrual cramps.
5. Strawberries. Strawberries have been in use since time immemorial. They were used to treat many health conditions by making tonics. Strawberries were used for skin problems, teeth whitening, and digestive issues. Their bright color is due to flavonoids and phytonutrients. Strawberries are also rich in fiber, vitamin C and manganese. You will also get a considerable amount of folate and potassium in strawberries. Quercetin, a flavonoid present in strawberries, has anti-inflammatory benefits. Summer-related skin and health issues can be kept at bay by eating strawberries.
6. Plums. Plums are rich in nutrients. These round-shaped fruits are rich in dietary fiber and sorbitol, which work together to help relieve constipation and other digestive problems. Plums keep the heart healthy by maintaining blood pressure levels and preventing strokes. Consuming plums reduce the risk of breast cancer and type 2 diabetes. Anthocyanins help fight breast cancer. Plums also have a low glycemic index, which means you can eat plums while dieting.
7. Grapes. Grapes are fruits that are easily available in summer. They are high in antioxidants and are a rich source of potassium. Include grapes in your diet if you have high cholesterol or blood sugar. Grapes will keep your heart healthy. They are good for the knees and boost brain health. Grapes also prevent many viral infections and prevent eye degeneration. They cure indigestion and help fight breast cancer. 8. Pineapple. First, a fun fact. Did you know that the pineapple is not actually a fruit? A pineapple is a mass of individual berries that are fused to a central stalk. Pineapples are one of the most loved tropical fruits there. It is a part of every fruit salad made in the summer season. Pineapples help in boosting metabolism and reduce inflammation. They regulate hypertension and also help burn calories.
9. Lychee. Lychees are loved for their sweet and juicy taste. Lychee and mango are the two fruits that you get only during the summer. Try and make good utilization of both the fruits during the summer season. Lychees are a great source of potassium, polyphenols, and vitamins. They help regular blood pressure and sodium levels. Rich in antioxidants, lychees also boost immunity, prevents cancer, and reduce inflammation.
10. Kiwi. Kiwi is one of the most nutrient-filled fruits there are. Some of these nutrients include vitamin A, C, and B6, and magnesium and iron. Eating kiwis help in maintaining hemoglobin levels in the blood and the alkaline balance in the body. Kiwis help with sleep-related problems and even irritable bowel syndrome. They are great for the heart, skin, hair, and liver. Kiwi is also highly recommended for people with a low blood count.